Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a mystery that's haunted kitchens for generations, the noisy fridge. We all know the comforting hum of a fridge keeping our food nice and chilly, but sometimes that hum gets replaced by a symphony of strange noises, clunking, buzzing, gurgling, you name it. Now, before you panic and call for a repair person, let's take a deep breath and see if we can identify the cause ourselves. Most fridge noises are actually pretty normal and don't indicate a major problem. Popping and cracking. These are just your fridge's internal parts expanding and contracting as the temperature changes. Hissing. This sound usually comes from the defrost cycle, where the ice buildup melts away. It might sound a little dramatic, but it's just your fridge doing its job. Gurgling. Ever hear water trickling after your fridge runs? That's the sound of the refrigerant circulating. It's completely normal and nothing to worry about. Of course, there can be some noises that indicate a potential issue. Loud buzzing. This could be a sign of a struggling compressor, the heart of your fridge. If the buzzing is constant and very loud, it might be time to call a professional. Scraping. This could be ice building up on the fan blades. Check your defrost cycle and make sure it's working properly. Grinding. This could be a sign of a worn-out fan motor. If the noise is persistent,